everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Veronica, Maynard, or Ronnie, because Ronnie's my nickname. Today we're going to be making scones. Is it scones? Quick and easy with lemonade. I'll show you the ingredients. Okay. Lemonade, fit cream, self-flake rising flour. So this is my mum. She's gonna help with the scenes. So because of my disability I have. Let's get cracking. See you in the next part. What's the first step?
Got to preheat the oven.
What degrees?
200.
Oh, you bastard.
Got it?
Yep. Oh, it's gas, so.
200. Okay.
What's the second step?
All the ingredients.
That's the first.
So if you want to put the flour through the sieve.
Do we need a bowl?
This white bowl.
This bowl? Okay.
3 cups of flour.
3 cups. I'll just. 3 cups of this?
Yes. So put your.
What?
So you don't make a mess. Put. Right.
I'm going to make a mess anyway.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that almost went flying. That would not be. Okay, 1. Oops. I made a mess. Oh! 2. 1 more?
Yes.
My mum does not like mess.
Yep.
Okay. Shove it together?
Yes. Hopefully that will fit in the bowl.
Hope so too.
Making now 1 cup of thickened cream.
1 cup?
Yeah, we'll put it in the cup.
Yeah, hold up. Uh-oh. Birds are forming.
Is Joey out there?
Probably, yeah. Do I need a spoon?
Yes, I think so.
What?
Is it all scraped out? No, I need to scrape it, yeah.
I know. Be like Tash. I know. I put a little cream in the flour. Another one?
Yes.
Yes.
Wait.
What?
Yep.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, yep.
Put it in?
No, not yet. Get a cup of Sprite.
Oh, in that. Sprite. In where? In there?
Yeah, hang on, maybe the cream in.
That's what I just said.
Yep. Okay.
in here.
Yes. Just wait till the bubbles go down. Oh.
What? I'm just using my fingers. What? Can I put it in?
No, not yet. Just sure you got a cup.
I'm using my fingers to pop the. Do you think that's a cup?
No, just a little bit more. More. Yeah, keep going.
That's a cup.
Okay, we'll put it, empty it in and then stir it. Yeah, stir it all together.
With what?
That spoon there.
The spoon?
Yep.
Oops.
Yes, girl.
Oops. Okay, my finger. I want you to. Oops. Yeah, stop it. Okay, I'm gonna flour the board I'm on.
Yes, just a little bit. Yeah, just.
Oh,
What have you done?
I made a mess.
Okay, that should be enough. Oh yeah, good girl. Spread it. Yep.
No. I know. What?
Yep.
Okay. Get up, come on.
Get the spatula.
Oh, I got food on it.
Oh no, that's just from the. But yeah, just from the. It's just from the tray.
What, magpies? Let's put what?
The spatulas in the sink. Just
Spatula. Spatula. Yeah, I think it's
okay. Take it off the spoon.
like this. Oh my god.
Okay, now flour your hands. Okay, and just needle it. Yeah.
Ew. It's sticky.
Yeah, that's yeah.
I might put more flour on my hands.
Pick it up off the board.
Hmm? What? Uh, today, Mama.
Hang on now. You're going to say that.
Gonna flat it down with
Yeah.
my hands.
Okay. Gee. Okay, now get your flat. Yeah.
And
Yeah. See if you can cut it.
okay, I'm gonna use this. This don't know what this is called, Mum.
A biscuit cutter or.
Oh, whatever. Yeah, some cutter. So I'm gonna go cut really.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry.
Just.
What?
Yeah.
Ooh. Huh.
Put them on the board. Put them on the.
Okay. Oh,
Get in maybe a knife. Oh, or the fish slice to take them off because they're still a bit sticky.
Does this one work?
Yes, fish slice. Yes.
I'm trying to go out again.
Okay, and put them. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah.
I'm kneading. And then flatten it.
Yes.
Oh,
Sticky.
oh, here comes the Yee.
Here comes the old girl. Hello, Ee.
Don't know.
Okay, get them.
Okay. We probably need more flour.
Yeah. Cut all the others out first.
Oops. Oh, Ee, stop picking on him. I'm gonna open the oven first.
Is it still going?
Yep, I think so. Yeah, it is. Oh. Put it up here.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh. Oh. There we go.
So how many minutes?
Put it on 15.
Look at that. I'll turn it off.
No. Oh. No, because I want to put my muesli in there.
Okay. Look at that. Mm. Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh, darling.
I burnt myself. Don't know where. Not that bloody hurt. Mm. Mm. I don't know where that is. Oh. No, I'll do it myself. Stop it. Thank you for watching my video. How to make easy scone recipe. If you guys want this recipe being my link down in the description, subscribe, click the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.